Good morning, folks. Welcome back to Circle C Ranch, where every friendly visitor is welcome. And our current 4-generation project. What I mean by that is there's 4 generations of us building this bunkhouse on the ranch. And I know some of y'all might be saying, what is up with that foundation? I'd be asking the same thing too if I didn't understand. So let me flip y'all around and show you. This is an effort of several years worth of collecting these rocks off of this property. I'm making an effort to combine modern tools and a few materials with old school building techniques, just because I've always wanted to do it and for the cost. So let me show you. I'm not just sitting this building on top of these rocks. It's bolted down, and that is glue. So that all thread rod has a nut and a washer on top of this bottom plate, and then it is drilled deep down into this rock. It probably weighs 1,000 to 1,500 pounds. Again, right here, there, over there, and so on and so forth, all the way around the perimeter. Now, this isn't the end of it. I know it's a little sketchy looking right now, but all of these gaps are going to get filled in. But when I fill them, I'm going to take the time to kind of level some of these loose ones off that are sitting there in between, get them all straightened up, and then start filling the gaps in with mortar and rock. So in the end, it will look really nice. I love stone work. And this little tree sitting right here next to what will be the front porch coming out here is a mountain laurel. And look at those. This thing every spring is covered in some of the most beautiful blossoms you can imagine. So again, as you can see, anchored down firmly. Again over here, anchored down firmly. That glue is 30 bucks a tube for a small caulking gun size tube of masonry glue to anchor that rod into this rock. I could take the backhoe and pick this corner of the building up, and this rock that probably weighs somewhere around 2,000 pounds would come straight up with it. I know, because I already did it. I had to adjust the building just a little bit to get it where I wanted it. Because look at my view from standing inside the front door. I know it's ugly right now because it's a long ways from finished, but I'll step out the front door, straight onto the porch swing, rocking chair, and I look at the pond. I'll get those banks sealed up, get that pond filled up, straight out the door, down the steps, and across the little bridge over onto the island. Sitting here surrounded by these absolutely beautiful hemlock trees. Y'all come along for the build. We got a good crew today. Look what we've gotten done. That's the door coming in off the porch. And you got that wall stood up with the fireplace hole and a window hole. And the other window's gonna go right there. Awesome help.